Dear children, please watch the lesson completely. There are some surprises for you. Good morning, students. Today we will start our English class with the fourth unit. The name of the fourth unit is Films and Theatre. And in this particular lesson, we are going to deal with the first reading, Render with Ray. Just listen to the word render with Ray. Spelling is bit different. That's why I said render with Ray. Now coming to the lesson or introducing you to the theme of films and theatre, you can see that there is more than 100 years of history for the film, and it's a very influencing factor in the life of the people. Here you are given a film by Kamal Hassan in the name of Appu Raja. So it's not that much important for us, and it is asked there, what is a poster, what is an advertisement, is it a painting, all these questions. It's not that much important, but there is an oral discourse that is given. Talk about your favorite actor, filmmaker, film, give reasons why you like him, her, it. So this is a oral discourse actually, but I would like you to write about this particular question. You can write about your favorite actor, or you can write about a filmmaker, or even about a film, and prepare that in your notebook because it can be used for your project work also. First of all, I would like to read the lesson for you. You can also come up with me. A reading, Render with Ray. It was a unique friendship that developed between a French Canadian priest and one of the world's greatest film directors, and had a singular impact on Bengali films both academically and practically. It was en route to India in 1961 at a stopover in New York that 26-year-old father Gaston Roberge was acquainted with the works of Satyajit Ray through the Appu trilogy. He found the world of Appu so fascinating that he saw all three films in one sitting, and there began his long-lasting love affair with the people of India and Bengali cinema and culture, which led to path-breaking work in those fields. In his latest book, Satyajit Ray Essays 1970 to 2005, a compilation of his essays, as the name suggests, being published by Manohar Publishers, New Delhi. Roberts provides a scholarly, original analysis of Ray's work, giving an insight into the greatness of Ray both as a person and as an artist. We'll continue reading. The Appu trilogy was, in fact, my first portal to West Bengal and its people. He told Frontline in his youth. All he knew of Bengal was through Mircea Eliot's La Nuit Bengali, some of Tagore's poems, and a Reader's Digest article on Mother Teresa. If the harsh image of poverty brought out by the article on the saint of slums haunted him, Appu would came as a reassurance. No, Appu, Sarbajaya, even Harihar did not need my help, but how not to love them? I thought it was fortunate that I would soon be among them, he wrote. So, after reading this part, I am going to explain this particular part to you. Yes, students, we have read the lesson. Now, I would like to give you a short explanation on the two paragraphs which we have read. And Renter with Ray, that is the name of the lesson. Renter means a meeting point. That's the meaning of it. And it is said that the friendship was unique because the priest, Gaston Roberts, was a French Canadian priest. His father is a Frenchman and his mother is a Canadian. And it was a friendship between a great director of the film, world famous one, and he was from Bengal, and who is none other than Satyajit Ray. So, the first meeting of Father Gaston Roberts was when he watched some film in 1961 when he was coming to India, where he had to wait for some time in the airport of New York. That is said as a stopover, where they have to wait for to change the aeroplane. Then he saw the film Apu Trilogy. What do you mean by trilogy? A film that is continued, parts 1, 2, 3, like with the same characters. And in that, he watched the first film, then he has gone for the second one, then he has gone for the third one also. And the reason was he found it very interesting. That's why he has seen it at one sitting. And this made him to have a long-standing love affair with the people of India and Bengali cinema and culture. So, in these two fields, there was a lot of innovations. There was a lot of new things that happened into the world of films. And also Bengali cinema, culture, all these were helped by both their particular unique friendship. So, what is the meaning of the word en route? Yes, while he was coming to India, on the way, that is the meaning of it. And this particular piece of writing is a a review for a book of Father Gaston Roberts, Satyajit Ray Essays 1970 to 2005. So this was published by Manohar Publishers, New Delhi. So what is provided in this particular essays, that's what is said. So we will go through this particular writing that was done by Father Gaston Roberts, why he has written it, and what is the need for it. All these details we will see. So we'll start. We are going into the essays, Satyajit Ray's essays. So he is speaking. Father Gaston Roberts is speaking. The Apu trilogy was, in fact, he is telling his first portal. Portal means opening, the door to the West Bengal and its people. So this is an interview taken by Frontline magazine regarding this book. So he was talking to Frontline magazine. So what Father Gaston Roberts knew about India was, in his youth, He has read a book called Mircea Eliot's La Nuit Bengali. That's in French, La Nuit Bengali. And some of the poems of Tagore. We know the book Gitanjali, for which uh, Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize for Literature. Yeah, and some article in Reader's Digest on Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, who was working there in Calcutta. Now she is known as Saint uh, Mother Teresa of Calcutta. And while she was living it itself, she was known as the saint of the slums. And there are a lot of books written on her. In 1997, she died, and just recently she was declared as a saint by the Catholic Church by uh, the Pope. So, in Catholic Church, those who live exemplary life will be um, elevated to the level of saints. So now she is known as a saint in the Catholic Church after her death. But while she was living itself, she was known to be the a saint, and she is known as Saint of the Slums. And in that article, there was something related to what you call Kolkata, Bengal, and the people there. Now, this particular film, Appu Trilogy, was a reassurance that made a particularly what you call made his understanding very perfect. Gaston Roberts understood India very well. So what he wanted, all these people, the characters Appu, Sarbajaya, Hariga, did not want to help them, but he wanted to love them. Those people, he could not just forget them, he wanted to love them. So he felt that he was fortunate that he would be among those people, Appu, Sarbajaya, Hariha, who are the common people over Kolkata. That's what he is telling. Okay, students, the rest of the part we'll see after some more explanation. I'll give you some images which will help you to understand the lesson better. For a better clarity, I have added the images of Mother Teresa, Gaston Roberts, Satyajit Ray, and also a video. Please watch it completely. Thank you very much.